Hello friends, today we are going to discuss an important topic, that is dream. Every single person in the world has a dream, and having a dream in our life is very important. And here I am not talking about the dream what we see while sleeping. Rather, I am talking about the dream which does not allow us to sleep. And these big dreams will help us to set our goal and try to achieve something bigger in life. Our dreams will give us the power to make them possible. We get an opportunity to make our dream come true. So, we can consider dream as the first step to our own personal success. So, we all should dream big and try our best to make it come true. So, you should always allow yourself to dream, because dreams will give you the great motivation to change your own life. But just to dream is not at all enough. We need to fight against our fears and doubts. But if you like to dream big, it's almost 100% guaranteed that we will be facing some criticism. Along with that, we should ignore all those and just have to dream, because our dream will make us, or our dream will help us to find more about ourselves. Hence, here I am going to give you few reasons why we are supposed to dream big. So, be with me till the end of the video to get the wonderful reasons why we are supposed to dream big. So, let us start with the reasons. The first reason is dreams will generate higher level of excitement and anticipation in you. That is, dreaming is to desire for something very new and essential for our life. It will ensure the high level of excitement, because of which we or you will remain highly focused to achieve those goals, both in our personal as well as professional life. So, the only thing we have to do is we should be very serious for dreaming big and improve the quality of our life. The second reason is dreams will help us to find our own abilities to deal with various challenges which comes in our life. So, as we are dreaming big, based on the dream, we will set our goal. And with that, we will explore our own abilities to accomplish our goal successfully. And our abilities will enable us to handle all the kind of challenges which is coming in our own life. The third reason why we should dream big is it will help us to overcome limiting beliefs. Limiting beliefs are nothing but the thoughts or opinion that we believe to be the absolute truth of our life. And that truth is nothing but we have created a perception in our mind that we cannot achieve something great and create a history. But it is essential to understand that dreams make us move beyond our current ability, and hence we should never ignore our big dreams. The next reason why we are supposed to dream big is it will develop new habits. That is, from dream, one thing is very clear that accomplishing our dream will help us or will require us to evaluate ourselves, what we can do and how we can do that. Most of the time, our current habits fail to support us in order to get where actually we wish to. Hence, having dreams ask us to develop new habits as well as new behavior which will help us to achieve the goal we have set in our life. And the next very important reason is, if you have bigger dreams, it will teach you or it will help you, or you can say even it will force you to expand your network. Why is that is? It also happens as we work hard to achieve our big dreams. While working on our dreams, we face dozens of challenges, and to handle them properly, we will be in require of people who will be assisting us in this achievement. And it leads us to expand our network so that we achieve our goal. And hence, we always stay successful in our career because our network becomes bigger and that supports us to achieve our goal. So based on the reasons why we are supposed to dream big, I would like to share a story of a person, that is Soichiro Honda. Think about this for a while. What seems like a terrible rejection can actually be a huge gift to you. The story of Soichiro Honda will teach you this, that how we are supposed to dream big and how to achieve that. Soichiro Honda, who wanted to work for Toyota, and he was rejected. However, he did not give up his dream of building cars. And later, he went on to find the very successful Honda Motor Company. So here, I have shared with you the strong reasons why we should think of dreaming big in life. And all these reasons should encourage you to start dreaming big and enhance the quality of your life. I have tried my best to give you all the strong reasons which will help you or which will make you to analyze your own dream and achieve that in your real life. So, once you dream big, then put all your efforts in order to achieve it. Otherwise, you will get nothing in your hands. Hence, keep every dream in your breath. Keep every destination in your arms. Every victory will be yours. Just keep your goal in your eyes. Because if a person who dreams small, he will never be able to live a better life. So, I would request you, or I would force you to dare to dream big. Thanks for watching my video. If you would like to see my channel growing, please support by subscribing to my channel, like and share, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Once again, do think of the reasons of dreaming big and have a big dream in your life, and I wish you all the best to achieve those dreams. Thanks for watching my video.